This is Jeff with Papé Machinery. Today we're in the field with an autonomous tractor. We've got a 9RX 590 pulling a high-speed disc that just had a precision ag upgrade kit installed on it for autonomy. So we'll get you a bunch of video today and we'll do a walk around. Let's go check it out. This is day one with the tractor. Yesterday, we were able to come out and get some boundaries set and just drive the tractor around the field a little bit, make sure everything was working properly. You can see up here that it's got cameras up on the cab and they're all the way around it. Part of the autonomy kit for the tillage tool is installing this receiver as well as these rear lights on the implement. You can see inside the cab, it looks like a standard John Deere 9RX. There's nothing new or added that makes it so you can't operate it just like a normal tractor.
So we are just going to get started and turn the autonomy on. So we go to main menu, applications, and then go to our autonomy. So here's our main autonomy on, and then it's going to ask us how we want to be in the cab for a ride along or if we want to exit the cab. So for this demonstration, we're just going to do a ride along. Okay, it's going to give you some confirmations of going through to engage the ride along. Click OK. Now it's generating a map after it's activated, as it's showing in blue. Just so you're aware, when you're in the cab and it is going to brake, it brakes hard and brakes fast. So always make sure you have your seatbelt on and your feet are on the pegs to make sure that you're not going to hit the steering wheel or go through the window or hurt yourself. So on the display, you'll see that it's following the white line just like your normal auto track line, but as it's making its way up to the top of the screen to your headland, it basically generates a green line of what is going to be the next pass that it will basically follow and jump onto.
Right now the tractor feels just like we're auto steering, nothing unique. So when we get down to these corners, that's when it's going to basically use auto track turn automation to calculate and turn those corners for us.
We'll make our turn here momentarily as we slow down.
All right, we've done a couple passes now in full autonomy mode, so now we're going to set it to exit the cab. We're going to get out and watch from outside the tractor. It's important as you exit the cab that you don't walk out in front of the cameras because then it'll kick it out. So we got to get away 50 feet, otherwise it'll default off and we'll have to go back on and reset this thing. So that's my first experience with the autonomous tractor. We're going to get the drone flying so we can get you guys some more footage.